What up, YouTube? This is gonna be my first video on my dreadlocks. So I'm 2 months into this. 2 months, not locked, but I guess twisted, like kind of sort of locked, budding a little bit. But yeah, it's 2 months, bro. I've been going strong. I ain't gonna lie, it's been hard. I decided to make a YouTube channel just to like find people to relate to, cause like ain't nobody around me got dreads, or the dreads are already mature. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. So yeah, like I said, 2 months. I had dreads before. I started some in 2014. I think 2017 maybe. Yeah, I was like, I want to try something different. So I've been trying stuff different. Couldn't find nothing that I thought really fit me. And yeah, we back. This time I wanted to get it on YouTube to show the growth with everybody else. Well, share the growth with everybody else, and like talk to other people that are going through similar things as me, and maybe help out some of you guys. But alright, so I'm gonna show you where I'm at right now. Let's see if I can zoom this in. Yeah, this is 2 months. 2 months right here. I hope I got that good. I really do. I'm gonna do it again, zoomed out. Yeah. So I hate this. Like, there's so much stuff. I've only not had dreads for like 2 years, I think. Like, yeah, 2-3 years, something like that. I don't know. But there's so much I forgot. Like, when I started off my locks, y'all, let me tell you, I'm so used to washing my hair like every 2-3 days. That shit itch. Cause I think for my first month I didn't wash it. I know there's different tricks and stuff you can do to be able to wash your hair and your hair not come out. And if y'all want to see that, let me know, and I'll make a video on all the tricks so y'all can wash y'all hair and not go through what I went through. But me, I was like, nah, I'm gonna tough it out. So basically I made it a whole month. A whole month. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. That shit was itching. And now I decided I'm gonna start retwisting every 2 weeks. I just want to wash my hair, and I know some people, they'll like wash their hair and not retwist it, but I prefer to wash, let it dry, retwist, and that's what works for me. So I've been doing it every 2 weeks. Now if you want to do it more than that or less than that, I wouldn't recommend more than that. I mean, it's your head, but I wouldn't recommend more than that. And I know my brother, he goes 3 to 6 months without retwisting his shit. I mean, like, at the end of it, he be looking hideous, but to each his own, right? I ain't about that life. So yeah, every 2 weeks right now. About 6 months in, I'll probably go to every month, cause like, I don't know how long it's been so far, but let me see. When was my last retwist? I think my last retwist was 3 weeks or so. No. Cause my next retwist is gonna be on the 14th. So it's been 2 weeks, I think. So it's already like, how do I say it? Like, it's already like not getting as nappy as the first month. Like, the first month, all this shit was just, it was rough. I'm telling you. Like, I was wearing hats. Hats got me through my first month. But it's already like, I feel like I just got some nappy head. Like, I got a nappy head. That's the only way this, cause like, let me see, some of these junk button. It's probably because of the way I've been washing it. because I noticed like me washing it a lot. Hold on, I know I got some. There's one right there. I know me washing it a lot got them buttoned. Like, let me see. See that? That's buttoned. Alright. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all. This ain't even the first time I started my dreads. I started my dreads like 3 times, and like the whole itching process, I let my mom start on once. I started them, and then I finally said fuck it and went to the loctician and let her start them. And man, them things was so crispy, and I ain't gonna lie, they didn't itch longer, like they lasted longer. So I wanted to keep going to her, but you know, COVID done fucked all that up. So yeah, basically I started retwisting them myself, because my first set of locks, after they locked about a year in, I started retwisting them myself, because she was charging like $65 to $85 just to retwist my hair. So I was like, I'm finna learn. And like they look lit. Like I did it in, but honestly my retwists aren't that good no more. I don't know like what I did with my hands to get them things so nice, but I gotta get up on my game again. And I mean, this is about a week long, and I be having my hands in it a lot, so that's probably why. If there's any questions y'all would like me to answer, definitely just ask them, because I mean, like I said, this is my second journey, and I remember some of the stuff, just not the starter stuff, more like when I was deeper into it. The starter stuff I'm relearning. I've been doing a lot of research. I like to do research, so if y'all don't like to do research, just come to me, ask me the questions, and I'll find the answers. I'll answer it. Yeah, so if y'all want to keep up with my journey, just subscribe. If y'all want to learn about hair, I guess, subscribe. If y'all want to be my friend or just vibe, subscribe. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. I cannot stop touching my hair, because like I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad because this don't look at this length. Boom, that makes me so mad. Like that, look at this. And I'm gonna show y'all probably in another video like where I started my locks at, because this see, I know I'm not supposed to be doing this because it can cause breakage or whatever, but like it's such a habit already. Bad habits. Don't do that, y'all. Do not do that. That's a bad habit, causing breakage. Yeah, that's the end of the video though. Please like, subscribe, whatever. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm gonna be uploading videos as much as possible. I would like to upload informational content, my video updates. I just want to help out people and, you know, vibe, be cool with some more folks. I mean, whatever. Deuces.